Now, somebody was asking about GMT. It's kind of becoming the mother of all crypto trades because short sellers are out after this thing. And I get it, okay? Because the people that own the token are going to have to eventually get out, right? They're making $500 a day walking. So when are they going to cash out? Okay, so there's no history. I got to go to a 4-hour chart here. Okay, so one thing I've always told you guys is that, you know, rectangular ranges, this looks like the type of thing that ETH does, right? Where it'll get rectangular and then it'll get vertical. Now, sometimes with this stuff that's wild, GAN can be useful. Okay. So interesting that, you know, they attempted to go through a 45-degree line here. They attempted here as well, and it failed. It glided to the next GAN line over here, the 2x1. So if I had to say, all right, do the insane and pick a top in this, maybe 471. If you want to pick a top, 471, if they just go full FOMO, that's where it would go. So that's how I would do this, right? This does remind me of helium. You know, it was an object in motion, and the emotion, once it made the top, was incredible. Now, obviously, helium took a lot longer to develop, but, you know, this is either already emotional or is about to get emotional. But short sellers are probably going to be out after this thing if it stays up here. Okay. RNDR. Okay. So as we transition into requests, the big question is, well, the big question always is, what about my altcoin? Because your altcoin is the most important one, and I totally get that. Okay. So RNDR tried to squeeze through a moving average on the 4-hour chart and couldn't do it. Let's go to the 90-minute, because this is one of these markets where, you know, I can do a stream, and then like yesterday, it changed on me midstream. So I'm guessing if there's another leg higher, RNDR can go to 214. So if this market's got any gas left and dip buyers are out there, see, again, I go back to this. Are people willing to grab this thing after it moves? Either on a dip, right? Like, you know, it's easy to have said, oh yeah, I should have bought it at $1.88. Okay, now it's retracing 38% at 207. So you have good support at 207, and you want to see buyers show up there.